Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to merge the data in Excel sheet. So we do have a 5 ways to merge the data. As of now, I'll be discussing about only 4 methods, and one more method it is there that is called flash fill. So I'm not using it over here. That is a little bit manual kind of like work. So I will be discussing that in my next video. So let me do this like with this using these symbols. Let me merge it and show it to you how to do that. So now like this they want the data. So the first like they want first name. After that we need to give some space, and again first name and symbol everywhere we need to give a little bit space when we are combining the data. So let me delete this one. Let me use one by one symbol, and first one it is like using an symbol and using concat. Like this is a formula, and again this is also formula, and text join also it is a new formula. It is only available after 2016 and version onwards only. It will be not available lower version. If you want to achieve in the lower version, we do have only two options, that is called using an symbol and concatenate. So everybody knows that, but text join is a new one. So let me show you how to uh, combining the data using this text join also. So let me use the first unsymbol and achieve it, and then further we'll go to the other steps. First use the equal and select the title. After using title, what we require the space, right? So for to get the space we need to give the double quotation, and after that we need to give the symbol, and again you need to mention the double quotation. So first I'm giving double quotation, and again I have given the space. As you can see there is no space, and again I given the space, and again use the and symbol. Select this, use the and symbol. Similar way for that everything. Symbol. Now we have selected here, and finally what you need to do, we need to select only this one. For that also we require the double quotation, right? Double quotation and space. I'm not giving here space. Let me give the space. Sorry. Hit and hit enter. We can see the data has got merged using with and symbol. You can as you can see the formula over here. Let me broad down it. See this is what formula. So finally, after closing my videos, I will show it to the formulas in separate way. There you can see this all the formulas in my description of the video. So now let me use using concat also we can achieve this one. Let me use this formula also. So here we need no need to mention and symbol. Just after selecting that title, then you need to what you need to do, give the comma. Here everywhere it will ask the arguments text only, text. Then here we do not have any like specific space over here. If you want means you can insert one, and you can just like just insert one space columns, and we can combine it. As of now I'm not inserting any columns to put that to get the space, so I'm giving the manually over here. Then select this one, and the double quotation you just give the space and again mention it, and select the third one, comma, double quotation, and select this one, similar way mention the comma, and finally select this one and hit enter. The similar way concurrent function also will work over here. Concatenate. Let me use the formula. Here also it is asking argument only text. When I will select the only text, see what will happen. Comma mentioning again comma. What will happen? See. So it means it is here. It is without space only. It is taking. So we need to give the space, right? So for that again we need to select the space. And similar like to the concat. So once again I'm showing to you how to combine this one also using this formula. Enter. Now we do have a easiest way to combine this one. So using text join, we can easily achieve this one. If you want to mention some delimiter, now what we have mentioned here, Mr. After that Mr. We have mentioned some space, right? So here once it is enough to mention this space and all everything. Let me demonstrate this formula also. Text join, then delimited. What we required here, we need to mention that with a double quotation. We want a space, right? So like just just you mention that double quotation instead of double quotation space. After that it is asking whether if it is a any empty cell you need to ignore it. Yes, if it is empty cell means if you want to ignore it, ignore it. Either if you want means just you can give the false, it will take. So now what I am doing, like after I'm ignoring that, now we can select entirely these columns first to last, select this one and hit enter. Okay. Automatically it will take the space. So this is a very simple way to achieve this. So let me drag down until down. And if you want any like if you want like any space, if you don't want space, if you want to give some other symbols, here only you can do that. You can mention if you want slash, you can mention and hit enter. See, here you can see all the slash has been populated over here. The similar way, once you drag down, all the symbols will populate to the down. So this is a simple way to combining like merge the data. This formulas. When if it is data, what date if it is there means what you will do. It is a little bit complicated ones. I do have one more example over here. So using with text joint only, I will explain you because of, if I go for the and symbol, it will take a lot of time. So now I have data here. There is a one more example. Let me show it you. It is a very important when you are merging data using text join either other formulas also. When if it is there is a date format, we need to give the text. Then after that we need to mention the format like dd, and again yy. I will show you to how to merge this data also. So without using text, I will show you how to. Before using only, I will show you to combining data. Then you see the what kind of format it will come over here. So text join, I will be giving the delimiter here as this space only, then ignoring all the this one hyphen. I'm hitting enter over here. You can see we are not getting the date, right? So it is coming like only numbers kind of things. So this is the what. So when you want to get the date also like this, now I will show you using text join only how to combining that. And my delimiter, the it would be the same like I'm using space only and I'm ignoring the cells and select until over here and date you don't select it and all. Here you need to what you need to do, just give the text and after that select the date. And here what you need to do, you need to do some magic things here. First you need to mention the dd with a double quotation only, you have to do that. And after that mention slash, if you want slash either hyphen, I'm giving the hyphen and again yy and close the brackets, close the bracket and hit enter. Let me, there is some format, it is mismatch. Sorry, I'm not mentioning here double quotation, that is the reason. Now see, here we need to mention the double quotation also here. Now we can see the date format as per the requirement, it has populated over here the dates. So keep in your mind when you are doing with the dates kind of, when you are combining with the date kind of formats, you need to 100% specifically you need to mention the text. After that mention the give the column name, it will ask the column, then which format you want, you can give that format, automatically it will pick up. If you want only 2004 inside of 2014, if you want only 14, just remove these two double y's, then hit enter. We can see that. Either if you want full month name, you can mention 4 times you can see full month name.